the functions. As I said, in the function there are two parts. One is function call and another is function definition. First we'll see the function definition. So this is the example for functions. Okay, now first we'll see the function definition. Okay, first def, this is the keyword followed by the function name. This program is to find out the average of three numbers, so I'll give the name as avg, or you can give average also. If you remember, while explaining the identifier, I mentioned that function name is also an identifier. There are some rules for the identifiers, right? That is, the first letter of the identifier should not be a digit. It can be a character or it can be a underscore. It should not contain any special character, etc. So we need to follow that rules while naming the function. Then followed by parameters. That is, I said that this program is to find out the average of three numbers, so I want three parameters, and we'll give name as n1, n2, n3. These are the three parameters separated by a comma, colon. Now I need to type the function body, that is the group of statements. I'll type return. I need to find out the average of these three numbers, so n1 plus n2 plus n3 divided by 3.0. That is, this result can be a fractional value also, for that 3.0. Okay, this is function definition. Now I'll print one message, welcome. Now here I'll call the function. For that, first I need to create one variable, result1. Now I'll call that function using function name avg. Now I need to pass the parameters, that is, I need to type the values. That is, I want to find out the average of 10, 20 and 30. Okay, now I'll create another variable. Once again I'll call the average function and I'll pass different parameters. avg, now I'll print these values, result1, okay. This is the function definition and these are called as function call. Okay, in this program I want to find out the average of three numbers. That is, first I need to find out the average of 10, 20, 30. Next I want to find out the average of 1, 2, 3. Next 3.1, 2 and 4.5. Now I'll save this and I'll run this. We can see welcome and different types of values. First, this statement will be executed, that is print welcome. So in the screen we can see the welcome message. After that, control goes to this statement, that is, here we can see the function call, that is average of 10, 20, 30. So that control goes to here, that is function definition, and here n1 equal to 10, n2 equal to 20 and n3 equal to 30 now. So it will go to the function body, and here 10 plus 20 plus 30, 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 plus 30 is 60, 60 divided by 3.0, that is 20.0. So it will return this 20.0 to here. So that 20.0 will be saved in this variable result1. So when we go for the print result1, it will print the value as 20.0. Next, after executing this function call, control goes to result2, that is this statement, and here once again avj function is called, that is 1 2 3. So control goes to function definition. Now n1 value is 1, n2 value is 2, n3 value is 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 divided by 3.0, answer is 2.0. So we got answer as 2.0. Now here next the control goes to this statement, and here average of 3.1, 2 and 4.5. So it will find out the result and it will return this result here. So that will be stored in the variable result3. Next, when we go to the print statement, it will print that result to the screen, so that we got welcome 20.0, 2.0 and 3.19999 and so on. Okay, this is about the function definition. Okay, now we'll see why we need to use function concepts in our program. In our program, we call this avg function thrice. It is a small example, and this avg function contains single line in the function body. Imagine that it contains 100 lines. Then if we didn't use the function concept, then we need to type that 100 lines thrice, right? It will be very difficult job and it will take space and time. Instead of that, we can group that statements. For example, these statements which will find out the average of the number, and we can give some name to that function, that is we gave name here as avg, and we can define that somewhere in our program. And after that we can just to mention the function name, and we need to pass the parameters. No need to type the code again and again. So this function concept will reduce the space and time. Okay, this is about the function concepts in Python programming language. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in next class. Till then, take care.